Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing the environment. Charge the Xiaomi phone above 50% and plug the original USB cable. This avoids interruptions. Enable developer options, then turn on USB debugging so the PC can access the device. This is essential. On your computer, install My PC Suite or ADB and Xiaomi USB drivers. Once done, confirm the device appears with a DB devices. Make sure to choose a trusted PC because data transfer and recovery require stable communication between phone and computer. Next, you extract data. If files are still present, use a DB pull to copy /SD card/ or specific folders to your PC. This is fast and reliable. If files are encrypted or missing, check My Cloud and export backups. Make sure you sign into the same Xiaomi account. For deleted content, create a full disk image with DD or a specialized tool. Then analyze that image with file recovery software. This prevents further writes to the phone and increases recovery odds. Keep notes of every command you run. To finish, confirm recovered files open correctly, prioritize photos, documents, and contacts, and copy them to multiple safe locations. If you encounter permission errors, reboot into fastboot or TWRP and mount storage as read-only, then repeat extraction. This often bypasses OS-level locks. If the phone is bricked or locked, professional services can image chips directly. One troubleshooting tip: stop using the device immediately if recovery fails. Continued usage risks overwriting data and reduces recovery.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.